Good morning, everyone. In a long time. Hindi po ako naka-upload kasi masyadong busy. At saka, as usual, still very slow the internet here. But anyway, I understand that because I'm just using data. So, ngayon pong araw na to, mag-update po ako ng water, namin, running water. Finally, by the grace of God, we already have running water here. Philip put up a line here. That's two filters, small filter from the pool. There, then that's our supply to flushing the toilet. So dito po tayo sa backyard. I-check po natin kung may water. Kuha tayo ng bato para hindi malasik. Ayan po, finally very clean water. This is clean from the pool, our storage water. So dun po nag-stock po yan sa stainless water namin. So punta po tayo sa comfort room namin. So okay, dito na po tayo sa comfort room namin. Check po natin kung water sa sa stainless. So namin. First, hindi po ako mag-aksaya ng water. I'm just showing that we already have finally running water here. So I can flush the toilet too. See. Ayan. Yan po ang comfort room namin. Dito po tayo sa paliguan namin. Paliguan namin, miss. So, nandito na po tayo sa shower room. I-check po natin kung mayroong water sa shower namin. Ayan po. Ay, man. Praise the Lord. Ayan po. Tapos, dito sa faucet. Oh, meron ding water. So, praise God because for many years, I think it is more than 7 years wala po kami running water. So now finally may na po kaming water because it's always been raining here. Then the water table is higher. So galing po yan sa reservoir namin doon po sa baba. So ang lahat po ang dalawa po namin ng stainless, mayroon na po siyang water. Doon po din sa pig pen ko, mayroon din pong water kasi nagpaano kami ni Philip ng hose. Gumamit po kami ng hose. So yun, punta po tayo doon sa guys. Even if we already have a water, I'm still collecting water from the rain because mabuti po yung may maraming supply na water kasi hindi po may hirapan. So we always prepare. We won't waste anything. So ito po. Ayan, tingnan po natin ang faucet. Ayan po. Napakasaya. Ganda pala na. May supply ng running water. It's not hard for me to look for water, carrying water to the pig pen because We carried water for our animals, for our pig. So ito po yung host na supporting our channel, watching our videos. So ito po, ngayon pong araw na to is napakaganda po ng weather dito kasi hindi po umulan. Pero I think it is everyday raining here, but not much, but every day or every night too. So napakaganda ng weather today. So in fact, makikita po natin yung yung building doon sa malayo sa Cebu, island of Cebu. So yan po, yung white na yan, mga building po yan, klaro dire. So yan po guys, update ko po. So very nice place, but a lot of work always. Philip cutting there below. He cut the grass again because the grass is really grows so fast after when you cut. I think after 3 days they will grow back again. So we always cut every once a week, or like that, once a week or twice a week, because napakalaki po ng area namin. So ayun po guys, ito po yung garden ko dito. Napakaganda po ng little garden ko. Isushow ko lang po yung ano ko, ay mga ideas how to plant some, arrange simple plants that will survive to the sun. Ito po is sila lahat is magsusurvive po sila sa araw. Yan po. Yung bumble ko po, napakaganda. Marami na po akong bumble. Tinanim ko po ito. Ayan. Pero ang iba hindi pa po siya namumulaklak kasi malapit na I love them din. Wow, napakaganda. Yan. Dito po din sa kabila. Marunong na po ako magtanim ng paano mag-propagate ng bougainvillea. So yan po guys, abangan na lang po natin anong kulay nito kasi I forgot already what's the color. So i-update ko po kayo kapag may nag-start na po siya ng bulaklak. So sa ngayon po is 3 lang po ang namumulaklak. Ito, pangalan nito is popcorn. Hindi po siya mag-bloom like that lang only. Parang close, hindi kagaya nito ng white. Nag-ano po siya. Yan, white saka fuchsia. I think this is fuchsia pink. Yan po. Sa ngayon po is 3 lang po na bougainvillea ang namumulaklak. Saya-saya po. Saka dito, hindi ko po alam kung anong kulay na to. So yan po guys, anyway. I'll be back later. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your for watching my videos. So God bless everyone. May the Lord bless us always and protect us all the time. I'll be back later. Bye for now.